In the tide of industrial innovation, Singtai Funaiwei Rubber and Plastic Products Company Limited stands at the forefront, powered by technology and anchored in quality, striving to lead the future of global sealing solutions. Specializing in foundation sealing, hydraulic, pneumatic, and transmission systems, we integrate R&D, design, and production under one roof. With state-of-the-art CNC machining centers, raw material mixing lines, and 3 automated production lines, we master end-to-end intelligent manufacturing from raw materials to precision-engineered products. Every component we craft embodies our relentless pursuit of accuracy and unwavering commitment to reliability. Quality is our DNA, deified by the ISO 9001 Quality Management System. Our products meet the strictest global standards, backed by SGS UL/RoHS and FDA certifications. Whether for industrial, medical, or food-grade applications, Funaiwei delivers solutions you can trust anywhere, anytime. Innovation fuels progress. Our in-house materials laboratory drives breakthroughs in custom rubber and polyurethane solutions. From extreme temperature resistance to high-pressure corrosion defense, we validate every formula through rigorous testing. Here, data guides discovery, empowering us to tailor sealing solutions for aerospace, engineering machinery, new energy, and other cutting-edge industries. Choosing Funaiwei means partnering with a visionary ally. We swiftly respond to your needs, break through technical barriers, and safeguard global operations with seals that redefine durability and efficiency. Our mission: to protect your equipment's integrity and elevate its performance one precision seal at a time. Harnessing the power of sealing technology to connect limitless possibilities. Let's collaborate to shape the future of industry.